Now, over the years, I've tried a lot of different fitness programs on this channel, and this one genuinely surprised me. For the past 8 weeks, I've been following FitnessFAQs Calisthenics Weights Program. Today, I'm going to be sharing my results, how it went, and if it's worth $95. And as always, this isn't sponsored, I've paid for this myself. Now, if you haven't heard of FitnessFAQs before, he is known for mixing calisthenics with weights, as well as some advanced body weight skills. Now, he has quite a lot of programs to choose from, and they're all around 95 USD. I obviously went for the weights and calisthenics program, and when you purchase it, you also do get free variations. You get push-pull legs, upper, lower, and full body. I decided to do the full body program as that's what I find works best for my body now. Now, I was excited to start this program, however, that did soon fade a little bit when I realized that for 95 USD, all I was getting sent was an Excel spreadsheet, which seems very outdated nowadays. I mean, what is this, 2016? And I know you're paying for the training program itself, but nowadays for that kind of money, you can get like a year subscription to a fitness app that will do your diet, nutrition, give you tutorial videos and all that kind of stuff. So it does seem quite expensive for what you get in comparison to what you can also get from other apps. But that aside, let's get to the training itself. Now, the workouts themselves were very well structured and I enjoyed them a lot. Most days are 7 exercises, starting off with 2 heavier compounds with low reps, then moving on to 2 body weight kind of movements with moderate reps, and then some isolation movements with higher reps. And progress is made gradually over the weeks by adding weight, reps, and sets. For the first week of training, the sessions take less than 1 hour. However, as the weights and sets increase throughout the weeks, by the end it's around an hour 30, hour 40. Now, the program does include some fairly difficult exercises. For me personally, I really struggled with the sissy squat and reverse Nordics. And because the program is just an Excel spreadsheet, you don't have easy access to exercise alternatives. So I found myself looking on YouTube or trying to discover what I could swap out these exercises for myself, which again is just a bit of a nuisance when you're paying $95 for a training program. As someone who is a little bit older now and also has terrible knees, I found the mix of calisthenics and weights a lot better on my body. I felt like my recovery's been better, my joints and bones just feel better. I've also felt less prone to injury, which seems to occur when I'm trying to push heavy weights. And I've also found myself staying naturally leaner than when I also lift weights. I feel the impulsion to try and bulk up so I can lift heavier. I also seem to have been activating muscles that I've never worked before and moving in directions that my body's never moved in before. So I think it's helped me be more mobile and limber, as well as getting stronger in different planes of motion. Over the 8 weeks, my strength increased dramatically, most notably in my pull-ups and ring dips. In week 1, I was doing around 10 reps at body weight, and by week 8, I could do around 10 reps at 10 kilos. My core also seems to have become more defined over the 8 weeks, and I think this is to do with all the body weight movements, which seem to have you tensing and activating your core a lot during the workouts. Because of my knee issues, I avoided going heavy on a lot of the leg movements, but if you don't have knee problems, be well aware there is a lot of heavy leg compound movements in this program as well. As I mentioned previously, I think this program is more targeted towards intermediate training. As I said, there's quite a few difficult exercises in here, and he also does have a beginner calisthenics program, so if you're completely new to training or calisthenics, that's probably a better option for you. And if you're someone who's been training for a while and is looking at trying something new, I highly recommend checking it out.